Hello friends, welcome to today's session. Today we have an interesting session for basic robotic movements. Basic movements, what I am trying to implement now, we are moving our robot to a forward movement, backward movement, left and right movements also. So before going to the programming session, let's see how the circuit is connected to our robot. This is the basic circuit diagram we are using in our robot. Here the key point is the Adriano Uno board. As you can see, Adriano Uno will control the motor. So we have a LM293D IC also for controlling the two motors. As you can know, we have two motors M1 and M2. M1 is connected to IN1 and IN2 and M2 is connected to IN3 and IN4. IN1 and IN2 is connected to pin number 8 and 9 of Adriano Uno, and IN3 and IN4 is connected to 10 and 11 pins of the Adriano Uno. So how we are going to implement this forward basis logic is, actually we have 4 pins 8, 9, 10 and 11 pins of Adriano Uno. So for the basic forward movement we have to be, for example, we are moving M1 in the forward basis, so we have to be enable 8 pin as high and 9 pin as low, or you are programming 8 pin as high and 9 pin as low, the M1 motor will go forward basis. Then we are going to move the M2 motor also. Here M2 we are making 10 pin as high and 11 pin as low, so that means the M2 will go to the forward basis. We already uploaded a session for how to assemble the robot. Link is available in the description. Please go and watch this. Let's implement the logic now. As shown in the figure, we can control the robot using pin number 8, 9, 10 and 11. So for the forward movement we are making 8 pin as high, 9 pin as low, 10 pin as high, 11 pin as low. So making this, or making to implement this logic, we have to use the block, pin block. So pin block, we are setting the pin, so we can select set digital pin. Okay, this block we can use for controlling our robot. We have to duplicate this one for 4 channels. Okay, so these 4 channels actually we are going to control pin number 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 8 pin as high and 9 pin as low, 10 pin as high, 11 pin as low. So this block will implement the forward movement. So 8 and 9 make one robot, one motor will be a forward biasing, and 10, 11 will make another pin as a, another motor as a forward biasing. So if you want to run this one into a infinite loop, we have to set this one as a infinite loop. So you can go to the control and repeat forever block you need to select. So this will select our motor to a infinite forward loop. After that we need to set the startup of the Adriano. For that you need to navigate to event and put this block when Adriano Uno startup. So this entire logic will implement a forward bias. This will implement the forward bias logic, but you can think of how we can implement a left movement, right movement and backward movement also. In our example, actually we are going to implement the forward basis, right hand movement and left hand movement also, and we can able to stop the robot at this position. So we are going to implement a simple navigation like forward movement, right hand movement, left hand movement and stop. So this we are going to implement and test today. We have implemented the logic fully. So next we are going to flash the logic to robot.